In this video, we will start to analyze what is the average sales order. So right now, we have calculated the total sales. But what we also need to know is what is the average. So how to do that? Well, very easy. First of all, you go here to the cell where you want to have the value. And then we type in equal, and then we type in average. And once we have the average, we can click here on the formula builder. So you want to have the function button here. And let's start to work with it. So, alright. So in here you can see the options. We need to put in every number that we want the average to be calculated of. So let's select all of these. And once you have that, it will get a number instantly. Just click on done. And you can see that the total value is $14.22. And that is how you can calculate the average.